In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export from Uizard. We'll walk through how to quickly export your Uizard project as shareable images. Exports are handy for sending mock-ups to teammates, dropping screens into slide decks, or attaching visuals to tickets. I'll keep it straightforward and point out small choices that make your files look their best. Start by opening Uizard in your browser and heading to the Projects area, where all your prototypes live. From here, find the project you want to export and click to open it. It helps if your pages are named clearly so the exported files are easy to identify later. A quick scan for anything out of place, like hidden layers you don't want visible, can save you time once the images are generated. With the project open, select every page you'd like to include. The fastest way is to press Ctrl+A, which selects all pages at once. On a Mac, use Command+A. This is perfect when you want a full project snapshot without missing a screen. If you need fewer pages, you can deselect any outliers before exporting, but keeping everything selected ensures a consistent export in one pass. Next, click the Export button to open the dialog. Click the PNG dropdown to choose the format that suits your needs. PNG is lossless and supports transparency, ideal for crisp UI elements and overlays. JPG makes smaller files and works well when you don't need transparent backgrounds. After choosing your format, set size or scale if available so the output matches how you'll use the images, slides, docs, or handoff notes. When everything looks right, click Export to start the download. Uizard will process your selection and save the images to your computer, typically named after your pages so they're simple to sort. And that's it. Go to Projects, open your project, select all with a single shortcut, click Export, choose PNG or JPG, and Export. Use PNG for maximum quality or JPG for lighter files. Follow these steps anytime you need polished visuals from Uizard, and you'll have clean, ready-to-share images in just a few clicks.